Hi, Gabriel. This is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in more clients. So today we're going to go through website content, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and then finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You have a very nice site. It's really easy to navigate. It loads very quickly for me, which is very important. But it does look like you could use some more content. You have right around 819 words. And when we talk about content, I mean all those words on your front page to include pictures and what's behind these pictures here. Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words to be optimized or viewed as highly relevant for this keyword search. So a keyword is just that search term that's used by a potential client that's searching for your service. You need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in the keywords needed to bring your site to the top of the search result. So over here, these guys are your top online local competitor. They have right around 1,100 words in their content. So to beat your competition, you're going to need to begin with more content and then have that strategically mixed with just the right keywords. So here I have pulled up a Google search for gutter installation Miami. And at the top of the page, we always see ads that are related to that keyword search. And the next thing that we see is what we call the map pack. You'll want to get yourself here in the top 3 because as you can see, it's one of the first areas that's shown in that search result. You can get to the top of the map pack by filling out your Google business profile completely and then including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google's going to give you more score authority to referring domains that are relevant to your business. And these are going to help you rank higher in the maps. So you'll want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So as we scroll down into the organic search, we see that Rain Gutter Solution is here close to the top of the first page for that search result. They're the first local business that's in the list. So let's take a look at why your competition is outranking you. So I pulled up a tool called Ahrefs. It's a tool that I use daily in my work to look at site metrics, and it's available for a monthly subscription. And it's very useful in doing our SEO analysis. Looks like your Google trustworthiness score and your power score are too low at the moment to actually score yet. So if we take a look at your competition for reference, their scores over here are 26 and 19 respectively. By working on your own content and your backlinks, these scores here are going to improve over time. So we see here on your website that you have one referring domain that has given you one backlink. And when I talk about backlinks, they're just that. It's just a website that's sending a link back to your site. It's important to note here that when I talk about backlinks, that it's really about the quality of the backlink and less so much about the quantity. So not all links are created equal. The link that you obtain is more effective when you have an industry relevant site that's linking back to you. So for example, having a remodeling or a roofing company linking your site on their page would be far more powerful than a local restaurant doing the same thing. So we see that your competition has quite a few more referring domains and backlinks that are driving quite a bit of traffic to their site. So here in this tool, we can also look at their keywords. And we can see what keywords are working for them, and then we can pick them apart and then figure out which keywords are more relevant to you and start going after those keywords in your own website. So once you have your keyword-rich content and your backlinks have come together and you start to outgrow your competition, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important to your business. So let's assume that you are now generating that same traffic to your site that your competition was in that #1 spot. So you'll recall that we did a Google search for gutter installation Miami. So we can see here that 450 people every month search for this keyword term in Google. And right now they're going to Rain Gutter Solution. But let's say you've now replaced them and you're now getting that traffic. So let's say that 10% of these people actually call you. They go to your site, 10% call you. We call this your conversion rate. And let's say you close 50% of those jobs, which is pretty typical for this industry. They're probably closing right around 7 jobs per month, just in their online presence alone. And also keep in mind that this is for just gutter installation jobs. Any other services that you have that people will go to is just adding to that number. So I'm not sure what your margins are, but I think that this could probably give you a pretty decent revenue. This is what I do for a living and I absolutely love it. I created this video to help you start generating your own leads online by utilizing these tips that I've shown you. Would it be too much to ask to provide me some feedback on this video? Even just one line is very helpful. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small businesses that I'm helping. I would love to see your site in that top spot as well. If you would like to discuss what I've gone over today or would prefer to give me your feedback over the phone, you can give me a call or text me at 321-626-0586. That's 321-626-0586. I would love to help you in any way that I can. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.